JJ the CPA, by the numbers is to allow your mind to realize how the simplest numbers can lead to much greater understanding of what you're involved with. And it sounds like that's some big magic trick, but I want you to think about inflows. The inflow, right? That's an easier way to think about money, okay? So the inflow of money into your personal account, the inflow of money into your business account. So, when I'm talking with clients and we're doing financial, I don't want to say financial planning because I'm not a financial planner, but when we're just looking at financial aspects of their personal, because we're trying to decide, well, how much life insurance do they need? Or how much disability income insurance do they need? And what's key there is, well, what are you living on? What's the inflow to your personal? Well, that's what you're living on, right? If we're trying to make decisions on the business, sometimes even down to what's a business worth, I look at the inflow to that business. How do you find that number? Not financials, for starters. I mean, you can look at financials, right? But where the rubber meets the road, when you're trying to really look at inflows, it would be looking at one number on your bank statement, right? These lovely bank statements. And what is that? Total deposits. Total deposits. I don't know what else your bank would call it. Might call it total credits, but total deposits. Look at that number. And then, for a lot of companies, right, it might only be that there's one number per day. Maybe only one number per business day. And even if you have a lot of transactions in its credit card, there's still probably one number for that day. If you're looking at your personal, it might be there's that one number. How many times do you get paid? Two times a month. If you have someone that's also your spouse, loved one, etc., maybe there's 4. Are there little things that are coming in? So when you're looking at that number, that actually then determines everything, doesn't it? The inflow determines everything. Look how powerful that number is. It determines where you live, what you're going to spend money on for groceries, utilities, stuff for your kids, for Christmas, for Hanukkah, for whatever it is that you're going to spend money on. That inflow determines everything. You want to be careful on that inflow is it inflow from a loan? Is it inflow from a gift? What inflow can you consider? But all I want you to do is find that one number on your bank statement and just consider all the things that really determines that one number, the inflow. Hey, listen, I'd love it if you'd subscribe. Just trying to break down the simplicity of numbers. All right, hey, you've never met a CPA quite like me.